Eateries in Nairobi remain closed as they wait to fulfill the requirements outlined by the government. But as KTN News Timothy Otieno now reports, government red tape and a few unscrupulous officials could be frustrating efforts to test many restaurant staff members for COVID-19.
Brenda, not her real name, is a mother of one struggling to make ends meet. She's been out of work since late March after the government ordered for the closure of eateries following the spread of COVID-19.
Inabidi ufanye kupunguza expense, like unafaa kuangalia kama mlikuwa mnakula lunch na sapa mnapika one meal mkule, unaona.
But weeks after the closure was lifted, she's yet to get back to work, and raising her one-year-old daughter is getting harder by the day. This is why. This week, many restaurant workers voiced their displeasure at the government for the slow pace in testing for the coronavirus and releasing results to the staffers, a state-imposed requisite before hotels and restaurants are allowed to reopen. Brenda paid the required 1,100 shillings to obtain the clearance certificate, and close to a week later, she has not yet even been tested.
Nilienda huko, but tulifika huko like 6:30 asubuhi. But yani hao watu walikuja like around kitu kama saa 5. Hiyo kazi kuanza sasa like wa arrange ndio like all those process tuanze ilikuwa ni like saa 5:30.
The Lady Northy home is where the government directs all restaurants and hotel employees to get their test before they are issued with clearance certificates. Brenda and many others like her who are yet to be tested have accused the state of laxity in conducting the exercise efficiently, thus denying them a chance to go back to work. And the story is not any better for those who have already been tested.
Provide services as a restaurant staff.
For fear of victimization,
okay, what happens?
This lady, whom we'll call Judith, requests that we hide her identity. She took the mandatory test last Friday and was promised results within 42 hours. 8 days later, and she's yet to get any feedback.
There are guys who go there for like 3 days and they're not tested. And once you pay their 1,000 shillings, they really don't care whether you're tested or not, you know. So they'd rather just do that thing because you've paid for it. And you've hustled really to get that 1,000. It's not easy for us.
Health officials at the county-run Lady Northy Clinic refused to speak to KTN News. And when confronted with the concerns by the restaurant workers, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe downplayed the issue.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm just getting the information, Namasa, that in fact that information, those tests have been released.
He's misleading us because definitely for him to announce that thing, he should have checked with his seniors or whatever, and then to confirm before telling us that it's out. Because for those people who we know ourselves, the hoteliers, we know ourselves. There's no one who's come up and told us that I have this thing, it's here. Yeah, so I don't know where he's getting this information from.
With the long wait now turning from mere days into weeks, many restaurants across the city remain closed, meaning people like Judith and Brenda, for the time being, will have to stay at home for a situation that could have otherwise been quickly resolved. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.
We hope that